The first time I saw the PICOFOX, I was amazed at how quick and easy it is to prepare a sample and start collecting data almost immediately.
We can not only look at the water and the effluents, but we can also look at things like the filtrates, the sediments, and really understand where the trace elements are in the system.
When preparing a liquid sample for the S2 PICOFOX, all you basically need is a small amount of that liquid sample, and then you need to add in a single internal element. And for our applications, we use gallium a lot. You pipette a really small amount onto the disc, you dry it using a hot plate, and then you load it into the PICOFOX and you're ready to collect.
One of the nice things about the S2 PICOFOX is you can actually take the instrument to the sample.
Some of the different samples that we've ran on the PICOFOX have been apple juice, grape juice, cranberry juice, and we're looking for arsenic, which has been in the news a lot lately. And it's awesome to see such a basic thing being analyzed and looking for potentially dangerous elements.
A solid sample is prepared by first grinding up that sample into a particle size of about under 50 microns. From there, we use our common laboratory balance to be able to weigh the sample. We then suspend that sample, which is very nice because we don't need to use those long acid digestions as you would with other equipment. We then add our internal standard, create our suspension, and then pipette onto the disc.
The S2 PICOFOX is delivered with multiple check samples that can be used to verify the performance of the instrument. We can verify the quantification, the resolution, the sensitivity of the instrument. At any time, the customer can remeasure those samples and be sure the system is still exceeding the specifications.
A really unique environmental sample that we looked at was actually Daphnia, which are very small organisms that you find in lakes, streams, and ponds. Because the instrument analyzes a spot size of only 50 by 50 microns, we're able to see these single organism Daphnia and the trace elements these Daphnia are capturing.